Are you tight on your shoulders and hip joints? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is a lovely yoga flow to target your shoulders and hips if you've been having a lot of stiffness, sitting a lot, or hunching forward in your computer. This is for a little bit intermediate to advanced level, and if you want to challenge yourself, hop on something comfy, get your mat ready, and join me. Okay, my friends, let's start on your hands and knees position. Hands level to your shoulders, knees leveled on your hips. Fingers flared open for support as you inhale. Let's warm up with a gentle cat and camel. Round your shoulders for an angry cat, looking towards your belly button. Scooping your pelvis in, curl. As you exhale, slowly look up, arching your low back and gently extend your low back area, opening your neck and your chest muscles as you breathe out. Inhale, round your shoulders again, looking towards your belly button, pulling your pelvis in. Navel towards your spine, tightening as you exhale, slowly lower your hips down. Arch your low back and look up slowly as you breathe out. 6 more. Inhale in. Exhale out. Feel the lovely mobility of your spine, your hips, and your shoulders as you look up. Inhale in. Exhale up. Feel that lovely stretch as you inhale in. I'm currently outdoors and enjoying this lovely scene of the lake and the beautiful spring weather. 2 more. Inhale in, exhale up. Hearing the lovely chirps of the bird. Last one. Inhale and exhale up. Now grab the mat with your toes for a downward dog as you slowly lift your knees off the mat. Pedal left and right with your ankles to gently stretch your hamstrings and calves as you breathe in and breathe out. Slowly lift one leg up, pointing to the ceiling for a downward dog single leg. Inhale. As you exhale, knee towards your elbow, same side. Lift again. Inhale up. Targeting your hip flexors, lengthening, and knee to elbow. Exhale. Tap if you can. 2 more. Exhale, tap. Last one. Inhale. As you exhale, slowly lower your left foot out of the mat, across your body for a lovely one arm pointing to the ceiling on your left hand, and gently lower your arm to the floor or mat and gently extend your shoulder, pointing your fingers back. Hip thrust, shoulder out, and then as you inhale, slowly lift your arm back to the mat as you extend the other leg again for a single leg downward dog. And then lower it down to the mat. Now switch it up to the other side. Extend the right leg up, opening your hip. Exhale, knee to elbow, same side. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to elbow. 2 more. Last one. Inhale up. Bend your knee to stretch your hip flexors, and then slowly lower your right foot down to the mat, lifting your right hand, pointing to the heavens. Balance. With one arm, targeting your shoulders. As you exhale, slowly lower it out of the mat and lift your shoulders, hips, Slowly lift your right hand up, pointing to the ceiling, to slowly place it down to the mat, and lift your right, pointing to the ceiling, and then exhale down to the mat. Slowly lower your knees down, and for a child pose, rest your arm, extending, gently lower your chest down as you breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Go back to your hands and knees position, and we'll do a gentle thread the needle as you lift your left arm out to the side, pointing to the heavens, looking up. As you exhale, thread it like a bridge underneath. Lower your left shoulder down, your neck and face down to the mat, and extend the opposite arm for a deeper stretch as you breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Now gently place your hand again to the mat to push yourself up, and gently switch to the other side. Lift your right hand. As you exhale, thread it in. Rest your shoulder, your face, and ear to the mat as you extend the opposite arm to the edge of the mat in front of you. And hold it there. Inhale and exhale. Now, place your left hand again in front of you. Push yourself up. And let's switch it up again. One more set. Left arm this time, pointing to the ceiling. Inhale. As you exhale, thread it in. And rest your shoulder, ear, and face to the mat to one side. Extending the opposite arm. And let's hold this for 3 deep breaths. Last deep breath in. Gently place your hand again to the mat as you press yourself up. And then this time your right hand pointing to the ceiling or heavens. I'm outdoors, so I love to see the trees and the lovely birds up. Enjoying the beautiful view here. And if you have time outdoors, do this. And then slowly thread it in. Lower your shoulder. And then extend the opposite arm and rest. 2 more deep breaths in this position. Last deep breath in. And then gently place your left hand in front of you. And we're going to our kneeling position as you slowly kneel up. Reach up with your hands towards up, looking up gently for a lovely stretch on your shoulders. And gently bend your elbows to a W position to activate your upper back and your shoulders. As you exhale, gently extend your elbows, reaching behind you, clasping your fingers, squeezing your upper back, keeping your back straight, core engaged. As you slowly sit down on your heels with your buttocks and bend forward for a child pose. And lower your chest down and your forehead towards the mat, and hold that in 3 deep breaths. Keeping your hands pointing up in a clasp, hands together. Try your best to lift it higher to stretch your shoulders. Last deep breath in. Feel that beautiful stretch on the front of your shoulder. Now slowly lower your hands back to the small of your back. And gently lift your shoulders and your forehead off the mat to a short kneeling. Now gently go back to tall kneeling. Extending your hips. Lovely stretch for a lovely chest opening sequence. So reach both hands again up. And then one hand, I'm starting with my left, twist to the one side, reaching my left heel. I'm leaning towards it. And I'm slowly looking up towards the heavens. My hands pointing to the ceiling or heavens. And my neck is also looking up to stretch. Inhale and exhale. We hold this in 3 more deep breaths. Last deep breath in. And slowly kneel up to tall kneeling, hands pointing again to the heavens. And gently reach now on your right hand towards your right heel. Slowly lean back and look up to the heavens and extend your shoulders on your right, reaching up to the heavens. I'm really reaching out with my left hand as I breathe in and breathe out. 2 more deep breaths in. Last one. As I breathe out, I'm slowly going back to tall kneeling position. Now, let's challenge ourselves with both hands reaching to our heels. So this is very advanced, engaging your core. And slowly rest your head on your shoulders. Inhale and exhale. 2 more deep breaths in this position. Last one. Now place both hands on your hips for beginners so you can get up. And then slowly kneel up. Arms to your side, palms up. And slowly trunk twist on one side. And hold this position. I'm turning my head and my neck towards my left. Really engaging my shoulders. With my palms up, it really external rotates your shoulders, so it's a lovely stretch. And I'm trying my best to look behind my left shoulder to stretch my neck further. Inhale, and then as I exhale, I'm going to switch back to the center. And opposite side, I'm turning my whole trunk to the right, feeling that lovely stretch on all the way to my fingertips. And I'm really trying my best to look behind my right shoulder this time. As I breathe in and breathe out. Last deep breath in. And back to the center. And we're going to cool down now. Both hands to the mat, to a puppy pose. I'm really extending my arms at the edge of the mat. Gently lowering my chest towards the mat as I keep my pelvis up, pointing to the heavens. And I'm going to rest my chest and my forehead towards the mat. And we hold this in 3 deep breaths. And slowly get up. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this quick shoulder and hip targeting mobility and flexibility yoga flow. If you love this video, want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video so that it could be shared all over the world, and the YouTube algorithm will help share this to as much people all over the world. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media, especially if you have video requests, and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you until my next video. Namaste.